Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gadget Incredible. We are discovering day-to-day gadgets and technologies which makes your life easier. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to watch future videos. Let's go and watch out the gadgets that we discovered for you today.
Hey guys, thanks for your question. This is the upgraded 16-in-1 multi-tool with pliers from RushDeer. It is only paw-sized when folded, very convenient to carry. Open from one side, you will hear a few clicks, which means it's successfully fixed. You can see a regular plier, little loads plier, and a wire cutter. If you want to recover, just lift the handle, return the head of the pliers to the original position, and press the upper end of the handle with the thumb to fold it more easily. There is a fire starter and a whistle inserted in the handle. In like this position, you just take it out, and here is a whistle. You can hear. Okay, and this is a fire starter. Let me use the live. Check this. Get it back, and we try the fire starter. Ooh. You see it? Okay, let me take it back, and I will introduce the other tools here. You can see this is alive, and there is a peg on it, so it's easy to take it out like this. And also you can see here there is a nano lock. If you want to get back, you need to press it and get back. Okay, and there is a Phillips screwdriver. Here is the groove. You can use it, take it out, and the steel file. On the top, you can see a slotted screwdriver, and also you can see a wood saw. Yeah, very sharp. Okay, last but not the least, let me introduce the screwdriver heads. Yes, the package will come with a set of screwdriver heads and hex wrench heads of different specifications for replacement. Okay, so you can see here, let me remove the socket firstly. Yeah, it's very firm. And we put the square side. We put the square side on the Phillips screwdriver. Yes. This is a Phillips screwdriver. So I put the square side on it, and I take the screwdriver heads. I put it in the hole like this. It also has the magnet effect, so it's very stable, and you can use it. This multi-tool has a wide range of functions and is easy to operate and carry. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. We will assist you to solve it. Thanks for watching this video, and peace out.
years I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearrange